Thanks for purchasing your new dog training system, Pet 998DBB. Inside the box you have your remote transmitter, AC wall adapter, splitter cable, USB cable that goes into the wall adapter, your receiver, collar strap, contact points for your collar receiver, test bulb, and in the bottom there's owner's manual. When using a training collar, always remember to use it for training and not to leave it constantly on the dog, as these contact points on the receiver can cause injuries like bed sores, or we refer to it as pressure narcosis. So always remember to not use the training collar continuously like a normal dog collar, but just for training. I'm now going to show you how to pair your receiver to your transmitter and then the functions of the unit. So start off by pressing the Y button on your receiver to turn it on, and then go ahead and turn on your receiver by just pressing the power button on the top here, and then press and hold that power button for about 5 seconds. You'll see a solid green light, and then it will beep and then flash. Once you get that, you just press the Y button on your receiver. It will beep again, letting you know it's paired. So the first function I'm going to show you is the vibration. You select the modes or the functions by pressing the mode button at the bottom, and then you send the signal by pressing the Y button. So I'll press the Y button and the receiver should vibrate. As you can see, it's vibrating. The next function is static shock. So to test static shock, I'm going to put the test light over the metal screws, and then press the Y button to send the signal. As you can see, it's glowing orange, letting me know static shock is working. The next function is a light function. So again, I use the mode button to switch to this function, and then press the Y button to send the signal. As you can see, as I'm holding the Y button, the receiver is blinking green. The next function is a beep. So again, I use the mode button, I switched, and then press the Y button to send the signal. As you can see, as I'm holding the Y button, the receiver is beeping. There is a 1-2 button. This is for if you had a second receiver. I currently paired this receiver to channel 2. If I were to switch to channel 1 and then press the Y button, as you can see, there's no beeping. So always ensure you're on the correct channel when you're using the unit. And then the last feature is a flashlight feature. So you press this button and it lets you find your dog in the dark, or maybe if you dropped your keys. Also remember, this is to switch intensity on the side, going up and down between levels, 1 to 100, or 1 to 90. Okay, I'm now going to show you the waterproof capabilities of our receivers by placing the receiver in the water and then using it. We'll put it to the vibration mode. As you can see, it's vibrating before. Put it in the water, and it's still vibrating while in the water. And now I'll show you, by taking it out, that the static shock function still works, even after being in the water. As you can see, the light is still glowing orange, indicating that static shock is working. That's it.